Yo, what's up guys? It is Thursday, December 10th. We have 15 days till Christmas, and get this, half of all known stars are larger than the sun. That's kind of insane. All right, you know what else is insane? The base angle theorem and the converse base angle theorem. They're really exciting. I hope you're pumped up for today's lesson. So here's what it is. Really simple lesson. There are going to be a few questions that pop up on the screen. Please complete those by writing them down or typing them into a Google Doc and then submit that to Google Classroom. And remember, if you're watching this video on time, all of your test retakes are due tomorrow. So please take care of that if you want to improve your grade. I'll put the grades in, probably not over the weekend. I might take my time just like you guys have done. No, I'm just playing. I'll get them in pretty quickly. All right, so pay attention to this video. A couple questions are going to pop up. Really simple. Let's keep it chill, guys. Let's do it. All right, first really exciting theorem to go over today is the base angle theorem. If I have two sides that are the same length, the angles at which they start are also the same. They're congruent. So what we see here right now is if line AB is equal to or congruent to line CB, then angle A and angle C are the same. So let's add some numbers. We see here that both of these lines are 7. That could be 7 inches or just 7 units. And if I said that A was 50 degrees, well, then we know that C is also 50 degrees. Let's remember what we talked about yesterday with the triangle sum theory. And that means all of the interior angles have to add up to 180. So if we just have 70 here for angle B, and we know that angles A and C have to be the same, well then we can set up a little formula. And it looks like this. So 70 plus, well let's just call both of these x since they're the same. We have two x's, so we could say 2x equals 180. So if you remember back to unit 1, this would be a part plus a part plus a part equals the whole. And now we can solve for x. So subtract 70 from both sides. Divide both sides by 2, and we see that x would have to be 55. Now, if you're able to visualize this and do some math in your head pretty easily, you could have said, well, this is 70, and I need 110 to make 180, and 110 divided into two angles is 55. So that is the base angle theorem. Again, if two lines are equal, the angles at which they start are the same. Okay, next, this one's really awesome. I love this one. The converse base angle theorem says the same thing but in reverse. If angles A and C are the same, then the lines that come from them are also the same. So if A and C are equal, we could say that, well, let's just call both of these 30 degrees. If both of those are the same, then the lines coming out of them are also the same. This could be a length of 10. If that line is a length of 10, then this line is a length of 10 as well. Not much to it, guys. Alright guys, that is it for today's lesson. Make sure that you have completed all of the questions that popped up on the screen. Again, it's super easy. But this is good practice for you guys to get in the habit of recognizing what triangles are, their properties, how the lines and angles interact. Again, I want to encourage you guys to continue to turn in your late work, make up your tests, and really put your best effort forward until Christmas break, and then you can take those 2 or 3 weeks off, however long it is, to rest. Not that we've all had plenty of rest this year. But hang in there, guys. Christmas is right around the corner. We got 15 days. It's epic. You keep being epic. I appreciate y'all.